The ATOTOEXCEL CB6 wireless CarPlay adapter turns a factory-wired CarPlay system into a cable-free setup, making daily driving feel much less cluttered and more convenient. Its Android 13 platform, paired with a Qualcomm processor, generous memory, and large internal storage, keeps navigation, music, and other apps running smoothly without noticeable lag. Built-in artificial intelligence with natural voice interaction allows you to control apps, ask for information, and manage driving tasks hands-free, in a way that feels more like talking to a smart assistant than using a traditional car interface. Support for multiple Bluetooth accessories, such as diagnostic tools and ambient lighting, makes the CB6 a flexible hub for expanding your car with extra smart features over time. With integrated fourth-generation long-term evolution connectivity, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tethering options, the adapter stays online for streaming, live maps, and cloud services even when your phone signal is unreliable. Easy access to applications through Google Play and the dedicated App Store, plus split-screen support and ongoing over-the-air firmware updates, gives this compact box a long, useful life and plenty of room to grow with new features.